Good morning, everybody, and this is your S&P 500 day trade setups for today. So pretty much range bound still. We've tapped the top of the range again, and that's this level right here at 45.42, and we'll get to the bottom of the range on the lower time frame. I don't want to clutter the chart just yet. 4600 still my upside target. You can see move, consolidation, next logical step is move. We've got non-farm payrolls this afternoon, so I suspect we just hover in this range at the moment until then. Nothing really changes on the 3 hour, except that we have a higher low here. So if I just put a trend line in, I suppose got a channel in, that's not going to help us. But if we take a trend line here, I suspect that is what is going to hold at the moment. Now, just keep that trend line in mind, because when we get down to the hour, if you take another trend line along the top here, what do you get? You get a wedge. So we've got a wedge, and we have a range. So it's either also a flat top triangle in the range for a break to the upside. Looking at the oscillators, this could also be a fake out, or this could be an exhaustion bar that's happened this morning with a bit of rejection coming off it. So I'm still very much sit on hands until non-farm payrolls is out. There is another pattern inside this, which is this inverse head and shoulders. There's a shoulder, double head, shoulder. Alternatively, you could call it a double bottom with a neckline up here, which we have broken at the moment. So we're looking to hold 45.42. If we can hold that, then I would expect us to move to the upside. Now, there is another pattern, and I just need to go back to the higher time frames here. And that is this trend line here. So you can see that there lines up fairly well with 4600, and then we have just a smaller one, which is there, which pretty much also lines up with this 4600 area. So that's kind of the upside target that I think we've got. So I think the pullback will be bought. We just got to wait for that data. It would be nice to buy off the bottom here. I don't think we're going to buy off the bottom, not with this pullback that happened yesterday. So you're probably looking, it's going to add one of these lines here. You're probably looking at something in the line of, let's do both of them, some kind of pullback into 45.37, 45.33. If the non-farm payrolls number is bad and really bad, and the market reacts to it, then I would expect us to visit 4,500 at least. So bottom of range, just below the bottom of the range, before the buyers would step back into it again. So that's kind of the scenario that I've got at the moment. So anyway, at the moment it's wait and see. Let's wait for the data today, and once the data is in, we should see some kind of an opportunity for us to jump back in on this. 15 minutes, you've got the little inverse head and shoulders, but oscillators at all the time frames are grouped to the upside, so that's just a sign of caution. Okay, so we're range bound, sit on hands, no need risking your money while we're sitting on a range, and we'll wait for the break either way. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you on Monday morning. Cheers for now.